do it kind of heavy, right? The play,
Mm-hmm.
like 5, like 3 or 4.
You know what you really want?
What?
Is that VWAP projection.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking
So
for.
it's around the 203.
3,
Yeah, 203.
which is fine because that's enough margin. See, we just punched it already. All right, we got a potentially huge rejection coming. So this is 4
That's
contracts. 4 contracts is what? 1.5 times 4. $600.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that's solid? I feel like
That's
that's a
solid.
solid number. 65 cents per contract though, so it's gonna cost us $2 in and out. So we're immediately down going into this trade. And his UAL.
Would you want to scale into this? Like buy 2 now and then buy 2
That's
later?
probably a much better idea.
So that the premiums that you think might go up.
Yeah, just
Might
it'll
not.
protect me against my own rejection.
Right.
All right, here we
Wow.
go. VWAP projection. Ready? Set. The volume is good. We're at 61% volume for the day, which is pretty good because the market's only been open for about 2 hours now. Yeah, a little bit more. All right, here we go. It's gonna happen early, by the way.
Yeah.
So let's get in now. Just kidding. So this is also 1. So we gotta watch the 2000, so 2003. We have to watch it go in our favor, and then a potential bounce happens at 1960. Right. This could be it. This could be the one good play that we need.
Yeah.
Maybe you on Adderall is better to take this. Do you want to take this play? If you're not,
We're going against it.
We're going against the trend.
But we should scale in. I feel like for this.
Okay. So let's read the tape on this one. Spy's pulling up 2, so let's keep that in mind.
Yeah, we have to keep that in mind. Amazon's moving upwards regardless of not regardless, but more than Spy.
It's actually coming down despite the fact that Spy is going up. Like the tape on Spy is good.
Mm-hmm.
It's pushing for 320 again, which if the 320 and the 203 lines up, we'd see a really, really, really nice rejection.
Yeah.
But we do need to wait 15 minutes for
So how much has yours moved? It went from 1 round store.
it went down more.
Okay.
So it's at 138 now. So, okay, so that's important because that means I'm going to definitely lose value on this thing if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
So, moment edge is gone, I get out. I mean, I'd rather get in on the down run as opposed to early rejection, right? So, like, if it comes down some but continues to go, I should get there, not
You're
the,
right.
you know.
Breaking of the trend.
I don't need this, I need this,
Yeah.
So, just get in for longer. So, we don't need to be in from the very beginning. That's one thing we've never actually properly learned is that we can enter, like, H doesn't regard that, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like, he doesn't care. He just
Yeah.
kind of gets in because he has no idea. But right now, the fact that he knows less is super favorable. All right. So we might not see the rejection. We might actually just see an outright breakout.
Yeah.
So that's something to keep our eyes on. Because look at
The
Spy
volume
over
still.
here.
The volume is not enough for it to be a breakout, though.
No.
I feel like.
It's not.
I think it will break out, but it'll be like an overall small H.
Small
down.
H, yeah.
I'll go a little bit above. And
This would be a really good H. Do we have a level set for the down run? I'm thinking maybe, 91?
yesterday we
That's
said
a huge drop.
$2.5 or $3.
Mm-hmm. So
Or so let's say
So-
1995 then.
1995. Right here. So let's say 93 then.
Okay.
93.89. If it breaks it with good volume. This trend doesn't look too unhealthy though. It's a decent one.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna see this come back down actually. I'm almost sure of it, if anything.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason is because it's like it's the way these volumes move. I think one thing that's tricky that I think tricks us up is that you probably shouldn't have eaten so soon because that might dilute the effects of the thing. I don't know. It might be working for you and it won't matter. I've never seen anyone as like receptive to that medicine as you are. So. What was I saying?
Just really fucking right.
I think we're yeah, I know. We're probably what am I trying to say? We're trying to think about the long term and the short term at the same time, you know what I mean? I think the way Josh plays it is he just does long term, that's it. Like he doesn't sell and buy anything on the same day usually.
Yeah.
Unless he's trying to do it for like premium. I don't know when he sells, that's a weird thing. I like rarely hear about his sells. Can you do me a favor and check the UAL price that he's in right now? You what? April 17th, 55 puts for 40. I wonder how much those are up right now. April 17th. Down. 50.
55 or 61
I think it's
right now?
50. I don't know if it was 55, yeah.
61, so up.
So 40 to 61, so 50%. Yeah. Alright, this is looking pretty good, this rejection. Maybe I might actually disregard. I mean, I don't know. Is this 95 level being respected? Yeah, it is. But I think the 95 break is going to be kind of big, actually. Pressure over here. Yeah, we're seeing big selling. The prints are going lower, kind of. Level 2 can confuse you if you're not careful. That's another big deal here.
Yeah, if you're not reading it right.
If you're not reading it properly. Or if
you're
taking everything.
You're taking everything, then you might get screwed over.
Yeah.
There's a lot of information.
You saw a huge drop on SPY.
Tesla is disregarding SPY right now.
Okay.
Tesla's actually approaching the VWAP. I think
this
up? Might be a better rejection.
Then this?
Yeah, you want to switch to Tesla real quick?
Yeah, definitely. Just can you maximize it? What you have right now? Because we can watch it from there. Oh, that's cool. So because these screens are so small, you can actually put volume up on the maximize cell and it won't show up in the minimize. See?
Oh, nice.
So for every single one, let's add, when we get a chance, let's add some volume charts.
Whoa.
What's up?
See, Usman actually used the lower VWAP today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
For the bounce?
Yeah. He's like, watch out for the lower VWAP. Boom.
So do you think all VWAPs are respected then?
Maybe for Tesla, I don't know. This is 2 minutes, so yeah, it's approaching this middle VWAP.
Mm-hmm. When did you add the middle VWAP? Just now?
Yeah, just now.
Just to see what it looks like?
Yeah, because compared to this.
Yeah, so I think for each one of these charts we want the VWAP.
How is Amazon doing then? Okay, so it's
holding.
the same.
Oh, here we go. Move's coming. Because look at the time. We got 12 seconds for a big move.
Okay.
So either we're going to see, because this pressure isn't enough for me to think that it's going to reverse. This is a VWAP, which is powerful, but...
Okay, I see that.
Should we have... This could turn into a... This almost turned into a... Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. This could be a head and shoulders, actually. Which, again, I'm just reading the charts. I'm not trying to be all technical about it. Yeah, see? It feels like it's breaking right now. Which means it's going to break out, I think, and then maybe push out of 207.
Yeah.
That's a possible... Man, actually, do you think maybe we speculate too much? Do you think maybe we should go simpler and be like, alright, if it breaks this, then take it, and that's it?
I think it's good to set your margins like a little bit above and a little bit below.
Yeah.
So we're in this range right now. If it's above it,
switch.
We should be playing the upside.
Mm-hmm.
But also, this is something I still have to learn. But like market makers, how and where do they? How do you recognize?
It depends on the stock. Also, it's your fill price. So if you start seeing, like, if you try to buy something, and then you see a massive volume kick in, so that happens sometimes. Like here, right? If you click, let's say this one has 7, right? And you click bid, all right? Then you're gonna just see a massive volume just up front sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes they're not trying to get filled. They're just trying to make you. And then they'll close it. It's pretty smart, actually. You need a lot of capital for it, though. Those ins and outs cost a lot. So they gotta make more. I don't know if market makers know how the market is actually looking? They don't care, do they?
Well, they usually. The only way they operate is sometimes they steal some other, not steal, but they just.
Yeah, they snake.
Yeah, they snake some other positions. So
What they're trying to do is they're trying to take your. So they're trying to get you to pay more, and then sell for less.
yeah.
So they can take advantage of those things. We're kind of dojiing here. This might turn to a bigger candle. Yeah.
Oh, I remember his Tesla 820 mark was big. Wasn't that the bounce?
It's already at 820.
Yeah, this was the bounce last time though.
Yeah,
remember yesterday?
Yeah. So now it's the rejection.
Now
you should set up a position for that. I think.
Okay. Yeah, it's already at 820 from 87 to 820. It's quite a lot.
That's a lot, yeah. Dude, I figured out what phone I want. If I can have any phone,
yeah.
There's a phone called the Huawei Mate XS. I wanted it for a really long time, but it wasn't out.
Yeah.
But now it is, and it looks fucking. It's a flip phone, like a foldable phone.
Yeah.
But it's fucking so much better than all the other ones, in my opinion. It's like $2K though, so I gotta save up. But I'm gonna buy it. It's good for stocks. You just like open it up and then just look at it.
That big?
It's like 8 inches across both sides. So 8 inches by like.
Oh
8
shit!
inches.
I actually sent Tesla to 1. Did that change your thing or no?
Yeah, this is Tesla now. That's fine.
I mean, your Amazon
My
one?
put is still here,
Okay.
so I'm okay. It's breaking, by the way.
Okay. Yeah, enter at where you said your level.
95?
95.
So 94.3.
94.3. Sure. I'll actually take a look.
Are you in Tesla?
No. So Tesla's doing the same thing. What is SPA doing? SPA is...
Wait, why'd you send it here? Don't you want it here?
Oh yeah, I will. I'm just looking at Amazon before you get into your thing.
Oh yeah, I'm not getting it. You can help me get in. SPY's kind of holding up. Amazon is pushing more and more down. The volume on this one is.
See, the thing is, like with these, with the bearish, with the bull flag.
Yeah.
Sometimes when market makers appear in the chart,
Mm-hmm.
they go down below you that
to
general
get
support,
you in, to get you
and then
into
they
it.
do it up.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can
So you
predict that.
That's why you go lower.
upwards.
That's why you go lower than
Yeah.
the certain amount.
Yeah.
Because market makers, I think, know the trend, like where the bids are going.
Yeah.
And so they can read the tape better than anybody. All right, they're giving it up below 19.99.
Yeah.
All right, we might get 2 very good trades on our hands, so let's make them count. Yeah, Tesla looks really good.
Yeah, 820 reject.
But don't get striked out by a fake out, obviously.
Yeah.
But that was a 820 plus the VWAP is like a really good rejection.
Yeah. I guess that VWAP was decent.
128. This one has the potential to gain back a lot of power.
Mm-hmm.
Because it was like 230 when I was looking at it. So.
1995 on the bid.
The bids are getting lower. Lower. Are they giving?
96.
They're still giving it a bit up on the ask side. Yeah, they're more close. They're more prone to ask side right now still. So the buyers are still the winners right now. Or not the buyers, but the higher prices. So the asks are higher still. Okay, it's a game. This is one I like. One thing I like is that this is 50% of this candle. So if I can cross 50% of that candle, then we might actually get an engulfing, and then it'll turn into a whole thing.
Right.
But if it doesn't cross this 86 line,
Okay.
all right, I think it's time, right?
Yeah, what was your level?
It's technically
94.
94.3.
Okay.
So it's still holding. The price hasn't changed at all.
Nice.
I don't know why. That's concerning, actually.
Okay. Now.
Yeah.
Volume is
Not good.
lower though.
I don't like that. Let me
I don't
lower
like
the
that.
amount to 1.
1 then. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll buy multiple if I have to. Like I can buy it at different points.
Right.
This still isn't reacting. Should I go for a slightly more expensive one? Do you think?
How's the volume on that one? I mean, on that option.
Is it? No.
Okay, 1800 though. So
This
it's,
one is.
yeah,
1800.
1800.
Yeah, it's 18.
Yeah.
It's a big one. It's the biggest volume. This volume is
Yeah,
terrible,
this
right?
volume is bad.
This hasn't changed.
I feel like some people are getting, because that's where the bids are, right?
Mm-hmm. Those are the bids that have no one's getting filled.
Yeah, I mean, some people might get filled, but the average price might not change.
Yeah.
So you can still get filled.
I don't know where. Is this a good play? I don't like that volume at all.
I don't like it either.
Okay, then let's not do that. Let's not force that because that's not worth it at all.
We wait for the right
We
strike.
wait for the better ones. This line right here, you break 808, you break it down
It's
to
a good
8.
trend,
It
I
is
guess.
a very good trend. It's respecting it right now.
Yeah.
Just looking parabolic. Stretchy man. You see anything else?
I'll still watch.
Yeah, for sure.
Do you want to put Josh's stream up?
Yeah, let's do that. At least something for ourselves. Do you need to watch it or just hear it?
Just here, yeah.
What the fuck is this? Jennifer Connelly.
UNH is going down. Healthcare.
UNH?
Yeah.
Why do I say it like I'm retarded? Yeah. Let me see. Where can you maximize it?
Yeah.
And add volume if you could. Time and sales volume, all that shit. I feel like it makes the whole situation easier.
Tesla looks good. For maybe upside.
Upside?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of seeing it.
Training this the 15-minute. This is where it's
Can you lower the gain on this?
Yeah.
I've never checked to see if our audio was okay.
Gain is lowered. like all the way low,
because it's catching.
or maybe all the way to the right.
One of these computers is like super loud. I think it's this one. So it's like you can kind of hear it here.
A day or two to even just update the case. 14 days for this, 20 days for that, a month for the next report. So this is a different. This is creating a different fundamental reaction to how the stocks are going to react. So much latency. That's a great. That's the exact word to describe it. Latency. 100%. And that's the difference. Think about the world we live in now, and with stocks. It's instant. By the time news hits, the computers respond. People are able to react right away. This is very, very it's bad in terms of by the time the information is there to when it reaches us, and then people can even describe it, and then even the effects it creates are uncertain. So then what's going to happen? The market has to respond to uncertainty. That is what they're pricing. This is what I said on the watch list yesterday. All that is happening right now is the world has to now price. All businesses have to think.
You're not in Tesla, right?
Where borders get shut down or limited access to certain areas, when for the last 10 years you've had unimpeded, full-on access to everywhere.
All right. Yeah, I'm just trying to sort out this audio thing as best as I can because it's collecting a lot of this computer noise, and that's gonna sound terrible. So if I get this bitch to shut up. It's really loud, actually. For such a small thing.
For a small thing, yeah. It's processing a lot.
Yeah, it is. I'm trying to think about where I can move it.
It needs its own muffler.
It truly does. Because I don't want this to get picked up on the thing, because it's like, I just realized how much ambient noise there was. Can you hear it, Lessa?
No. Equally.
It's loud. Still loud?
Yeah.
So I gotta put a blanket on top of it? I'm just gonna just keep it here, like closer to you, the mic.
Okay.
It might be protected a little bit from that sound. Man, turning this thing on is gonna be annoying as hell now. Not that bad. It's like just. Rob, shut the fuck up. I will throw you in the wind.
So just about.
Tesla's looking good on the short side.
Yeah, holy shit.
I'm thinking a short.
Below this bottom right here.
808 to 805.
I agree with you. 100% I agree with you. I would say, but I wouldn't get in just. I would time it obviously effectively.
Yeah.
But
because right now it could definitely go sideways. Like it could go under, up, above, and then go down.
and then push back down. But this looks good on the 15. On the 50% mark, I think you might face some resistance at 807, 807.76. So maybe wait for it to break that.
Okay.
And then the 50% mark. Oh, there we go. That dump happened so fast.
Yeah, that 807 is gonna be hit in just in one candle.
Yeah. And we knew it was gonna happen too. We're mostly good. I'm gonna set this to. This is the podcast mode. It sounds way better. Can you say something?
Hello.
Alright, I think I found the best working process.
Okay.
Also, according to this thing, Tesla's dumping.
Yeah, it is.
Are you in it?
I'm not in it. No.
No worries. It's not really necessarily the great move we were looking
it's
for.
not it. You know, for things like this,
Yeah.
if we have this line, I've
Mhm.
seen Boiler Room trade this.
Yeah.
If we have this line, we literally trade it for 2 candles. That's when you execute right on it,
Okay, right as it hits.
and then in 2 minutes, that's it. Like that's
Does
so
it
that's
work?
how, that's how you play these sort of breakouts.
breakouts.
It's
like
not a
super
continuous thing.
short
It's
scalps.
very short scalps. That's how you play them.
I think, and I don't actually have a problem with that. I think that's actually a pretty good idea, right? Because what we can do then is, like, what's the word? We can trade it in and out. We have a lot less risk for the downside, and you can play those kind of heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Just play them really quickly, and they're
Yeah,
they're
exactly.
quick amounts. And it's like there's nothing to fear. It's just you're doing it on that level, and then you're done. I like that. Okay. So for example, when it broke this one, you were like in,
Out.
out.
Yeah. Once it hit,
What happened in those 2 minutes? Can we see? I can check actually.
oh nice.
Send a quick chart. Little bit of Monica in my life.
But I'm anticipating like a sideways fake out for this, not entirely like, and also it's following SPY very very closely, and
Yeah.
SPY is hitting this sort of bottom. So if this SPY breaks down with
Yeah.
it, I'm thinking past 2805 again. So
2805.
yeah, and I changed my option to $400 instead of 150 because the bid and ask was just too wide on those two. But
Mhm.
these are smaller and tighter, and it being reactive.
Okay, sure. Sounds like good to me. Oh, this is Amazon.
SPY is dumping, Tesla is dumping.
Which Tesla were you in? Or which Tesla were you looking at? The 750s.
Yeah.
750 puts. What are those costing you?
400.
Oh man, that mean my. Oh no, that's still pretty shitty. 440. Send to quick chart. Yeah, for some reason my 700 put for this week, literally is not holding up at all. It's worth like $1.
Yeah.
That's terrible. All right, so can you tell me the 2 minutes on the drop? I want to see the reaction that we got.
So that would have been 11:15
11:15.
and 11:16.
Okay, so 11:15 to 11:16. Yeah, okay. Or 9:14 to 16, right?
Yeah.
14 to 16, so about 2 minutes. 9. Okay, so let's say you got in at a price of 300 and 23 and you sold it at a price of roughly 350, maybe a little bit higher, 370. So that's about $50 on 2 contracts, for example.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not
Wow.
bad. That's very short. Interesting. One thing that we have trouble with, I'm noticing, is that we have trouble, like, getting in and out of, like, newer and newer lows and highs.
Yeah,
Like, we don't know how to
exactly.
play those.
Yeah, we always try to reverse it, which is not the right way.
Yeah, I think we're very I think one thing is we're, like, obsessed with bounces and levels and shit like
Yeah.
that, maybe. But it's, like,
Just-
sometimes it's just a trend.
Yeah.
So just follow the trend. Because our trends used to work out really well, I think, for us, in our favor.
Yeah, I remember one time we played AMD,
Yeah.
except we were playing ping pong, and we were just following this general trend.
Yeah, I
we made like
remember.
100 or something.
Oh, yeah, we
You
did.
remember that? We
Yeah, I
just
do, I
wet it.
do.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so that's why I brought this desk in. So hopefully we can just kind of enter stuff and then just kind of
Yeah.
watch it.
But remember, this is the market not for that.
Yeah, I guess we don't exactly know what kind of market we're in right
This
now.
market
Right now
is very
it's
choppy.
hella volatile.
But choppy, and it's just melting downwards.
We're like really bad at choppy weather, I guess.
We are okay. Remember last time we made like
We made it when
We made
everyone was
something.
down, but
right.
I think we have our priorities split. So we should make sure we designate it like when we should know when we're looking for a longer term and a shorter term play. So that's for sure. All right. It's breaking 803.
I think an enter of 803 down to 800 would be good.
I think so. I'd say play that one really large though.
Okay. I'll buy 2
Yeah, sure.
at 800. Yeah.
Yeah. Time yourself. Big H's are
I
forming.
don't like this volume dip off,
Mhm.
but I think this
Also,
also is corresponding with SPY. SPY is sort of sitting at this.
Spy looks good on the drop,
Yeah.
right here. So Spy's at a similar level,
Yeah, SPY's.
but Spy's more at a closer to an H than
Okay.
anything. Do you want to sit here at this desk? Trade on here. The reason I'm
Sure.
saying, so I can go ahead and start adding volume and VWAPs to everything else. That'll probably make it a little bit easier. A little bit of Monica in my life. Why is that song stuck in my head, man? Why are you doing this to me? What time do you have to go to class again?
4.
Alright.
But I do have a lab, pre-lab to do.
Are you ready for
no,
it?
I did my pre-lab.
Oh, nice.
But
First
my
time in
post-lab.
history.
All right.
Yeah. I'm watching it too. Or this is Spy. Spy's breaking below.
Okay.
Ooh, Spy's breaking right as it breaks into 318. It's a good drop.
Okay.
Yep.
318.
Good, you're good. It did. It's breaking into it. Yeah, it's 317.97. We might see the pullback on 318. I don't know. You good?
No, I'm not in.
Well, I have Spy up here, so it looks good to me. Feel no fear, bro. Feel no fear.
Right. If I lose my edge, I'm just out.
If you lose your edge, just don't get in. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Just play. I mean, literally, I don't think we've been playing what we see. We've been trying to make money, and that's dumb. That's why we're failing, actually.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that needs to just stop. We're not. It's not flying for us, man. Play well, not dumb. Do you want for the VWAPs on these? Do we just want the bottom, the middle VWAP, or do we
I
want?
see a
all?
lot of buying pressure coming in. A lot
do
of
too.
wicking here.
Then this might be a
Call
good
side.
H.
Okay.
Oh! You thinking that?
Yeah, because SPY did this at 318.
Yeah, I'm watching it too right here.
Yeah.
So, it does look like kind of a good reversal and then back down again, like a pullback.
Okay.
It's possible. Cause look at that doji at the top too on the 15-minute confirming.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. So I kind of like that, but we do have to wait. I think a little bit longer. Do you want the middle VWAP or both or all?
Call
VWAP?
side is strong.
It is very strong right now. How's the volume on it?
Not enough.
Okay. Middle or no?
Yeah, middle.
Or like, do you want
All
the
of them.
do you want all of them?
Yeah.
So like, each.
Oh, geez, no. Okay. No.
I feel like it looks dumb.
No,
Let me
it's dumb.
actually see what it looks like from the outside. By the way. Ugh. Ew. Oh, it showed up on here. I hate that shit. Go away. I sounded really like not straight for that.
Very strong buying pressure.
Mm. Okay.
You can see that.
The
Like
fo-
you could have. I totally saw that,
So what? The bounce?
dude. Yeah.
You're the one who told me. You were the one who said like, let's
No,
take
like,
the bounce.
because what happened here is very weird. Like you can tell, this thing it forms its wick at the top instantly, but stays the same price.
Yeah.
But then it moves up generally. So it means there's that guy. There's one guy in there
yeah.
that buys a lot at that price, and then everyone the average it averages down, and then he continues buying it up, and then everyone follows. Like that was very. I
So
saw
that was a market maker, you think?
I think that was a lot of buyers stepping in. I don't know.
So you just maybe you just witnessed it then.
Yeah.
That's a good catch. Is it pulling down?
it's pulling down.
All right.
If this is an H, that's a good H, because then that buyer would just have gotten rejected.
That's what I was thinking.
I mean, he has more selling pressure in that way.
All right, there
But
we go.
right now, I'm thinking this is just a sideways thing, so it's gonna go to 810 and then come down.
It probably will. I'm looking at it
Or
too.
like 808.
808 probably. 80
Yeah.
Where it came down from, where the
Yeah.
reject. So right
Yeah.
there. 806 is probably that level.
Yeah. Also, let's see if there are some other good setups.
Yeah.
Amazon is edging downwards. I wonder if we would have done well here.
For what?
Okay, so we wanted to get in here. It got back up, and then we probably
Kept going.
maybe I don't know. This is very shitty.
It's
Candle.
not good. It's not the kind of moves that we usually get.
And that makes sense because this is just sideways, and we're not gonna get the candle action that we want.
Yeah.
So these are a little bit of long-term holds, just for like long-term being like 10 minutes.
For the day, yeah.
Yeah.
Is this bad? This volume type thing?
It's not terrible. No, I don't like
You don't like it? Okay. It doesn't show up there, but it shows up here, which is kind of off-putting to me.
UNH.
Oh, I know what to do.
UNH, what we want to do? Oh my god. Yeah, UNH. It's at this level. You want to check this real quick?
Yeah.
It's literally right here.
At the
in
bottom?
daily, at this bottom.
You think it's a bounce then?
It's a bounce, but maybe not. Maybe not.
Maybe it'll just keep dumping?
Yeah.
Well, I have UNH up here, so UNH looks...
God, I need to take the biggest dump. I hate this.
Are you going?
Yeah.
Rip.
I need to watch. It's alright. If you see anything,
Do it.
This, man. Yeah.
Alright. I shall.
Play it according to the market. So if it's choppy,
Why is UNH up twice? Tesla's pulling back up right now. 807. Just go. Take your dump quick.
okay.
Quick. Run. Run! I have Tesla up here.
Alright.
That's fine. Alright, I'm just gonna edit these while I wait. All right, we're good. I was able to set up all the volume averages and stuff like that. View apps, blah blah blah.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. I did it. So yeah. Everything on there is now set. So only the bottom 3 there have little volumes, but the rest of them don't. But they have volume when you maximize it.
Okay.
So you're good. So it's only gonna bother the bottom
Cool.
a little bit, which I think is tolerable. But now I gotta do it on this one. I can take your man if I want to. Wish me the breast of Rook.
Do you have class today?
No, I'm done.
You're done?
I'm done.
Okay.
I want to get Boba with the guys. I can take your man if I want to. What was that?
I moved Tesla up.
Oh.
Because it wasn't updated. It hit 812.
Oh shit. Yeah, I know. Tesla's been kind of, but it's coming back down.
Huh. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Reset the trend? Because do you remember that channel thing? Hold on, I'll show you what I mean.
Activate channel, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, this is it. Right here, watch the break right now.
Okay.
I think this is good. To 8:05, honestly. Just 2 candles. I would say, actually, set yourself up for this.
Okay.
Like RN.
Should I sit it? Or should I sit here?
No, you can't because I'm doing this.
Okay, that's fine. RN.
It's either way, we see the things going. It already broke.
Yeah, it did. Is this a put?
You have to see if there's a P
Yeah,
there.
it
It is a put.
Yeah.
Woo! That was good.
Yeah, that was
was-
good.
That was kind of easy. I love how sometimes we're like, this stuff is so easy, and then other times we're like, fuck, I hate my life. Oh my god, it actually worked.
Yeah.
It broke exactly that trend line.
Yeah.
Sometimes this timing is just so ridiculously dumb. Like, it's just like, oh, I just caught it. Oh,
Yeah.
it just broke.
Yeah, exactly.
That always happens. It's like my processing time is just too long. Dude, did you know apparently you don't need a Costco card to eat at Costco?
Really?
Yeah.
How'd you find this out?
Someone told me. I was like, but they're like changing it like soon. Where did I learn
Oh.
this? Was it at the? I feel like I learned it at that party that we went to. But I don't remember anything from that night, to be honest. No, where did I learn this? I don't know. Fuck. All right. There's never any point of looking at the level 2 or volume on a VIX. Actually, volume, yeah. Right?
On VIX?
Yeah. No, there's nothing.
I don't
There's
think we
nothing
even look at VIX.
Huh?
I don't think we even look at VIX. I mean, we do, but we don't do anything with VIX.
Yeah, I know. Not really. You just look at it to understand what's going on. TLTs? It's TLT at time and sales it does. TLT level 2. It exists. It's kind of weird though. Oh fuck. You know what I really wanted? I
What?
think I wanted this on every single one of these.
Yeah.
But I didn't do it. Is there anything I can I like change one of my saved applied settings and will it just change on every single
On
one?
all, like apply to all.
Yeah. Or am I gonna have to go through this process again? I didn't have fun. I'm not having fun right now.
Oh yeah, you can. Here, it's edit studies and then save study set and then just load study set. All right, I'll do it. Edit studies.
Let me save it real quick then. Alright, do me a favor and maximize one of them. Maximize. Hold on. Do me a favor and go to one of them that I've already applied it. So I've applied it to everything. So anything that has a VWAP I've already
Yeah,
applied.
yeah, I know.
So check one. Just click on one and maximize it and see if it changed. Okay, so it didn't change, but I changed the name of it. So it's called, or it's the same name. It's called Full Vol. What? Like if
Okay.
you click Load Study Set, you'll see it.
Okay. Full watch VWAP ball.
Yep, that's the one. That
There
one
we go.
It already has it. Yeah. Okay. So we'll still have to go
Okay.
through every single one and add it though. What do we do for love? Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and add them all because we have a little bit of time. It shouldn't change much though. Now you're just adding each one.
I'm changing it.
Yeah, okay, cool. I am too. I'm almost done with this one. Vix doesn't need it. Load. Done. Alright, cool. All the ones here have them now. Beautiful. So nothing shows up until you maximize, which is like the best shit ever.
Except for the bottoms.
The bottom looks ugly. But thankfully it's only that screen, nothing else.
Yeah.
I kind of figured out a way to like move it down to the bottom. Like I can shift it around by just changing the size of the other ones. You might be able to get it to stop showing up on the bottoms. I'll show you how in a second when you're done. Yeah, Tesla was good for this drop. I need to see. I kind of want to know how much this made. Joshua says, new lows coming to 317. That's the final level of December run up. Man, we're back at open from like December, like month, dude.
Yeah.
This is the most
These
crash.
last 2 days are crazy.
This
I
is the
think
biggest
this is
drops
when-
in history, dude. Look at
when
this.
you
This
start-
is the most crash looking ass.
Yep. That's
We
when
knew
you-
this was coming.
Yeah, I know. We did.
How did Josh time it so well? Like he knew too. Like, but he bought something.
Yeah.
We knew it was coming, but we didn't know how to do anything about it.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Amazing. I love it. It's so cool.
I mean, we do have the power to change that like at an instant right now.
Yeah, we do. We just
Like
have to
we
be.
can still buy debit puts. Whoa, SPY dropped though.
Yeah, it's dropping.
Oh wow.
No, I agree with you. We can. Like, we just have to act like H a little bit more, and then we'll make it. In a good way. Because goddammit, if that kid doesn't fucking net returns like a
No,
motherfucker.
More than any of us, honestly.
Some of this stuff. Well, the final run up, which is way more than the original credit spread, is mine, and I'm gonna keep credit for it forever, because I need something to make me sleep at night.
Wait, so what's happening right now? I should be doing something, right?
I suppose, yeah. Here, do you want to switch? Did you upload all the things already? They're all set. Cool. Okay, so now we're actually good. Now we have a permanent setup that's, I think, perfect. I think I know how to fix these bottom ones. Oh, yes, I did it. I was able to remove the thing.
Nice.
So I'll show you how I did it real quick. I took, instead of putting it overlapped, I just brought it down its own thing.
Okay. Nice.
Brilliant. Now we have nothing to deal with here. Happy. I am so awesome. Alright, is this tolerable, you think?
Yeah.
I don't know why this is. Studies. Edit. Not gonna fly, is it?
Okay, Tesla's at 800.
Tesla's at 800,
Yeah.
dropping again.
Yeah. I'm gonna change this on like spot. I'm gonna watch a correlation between SPY and Tesla. This breaking 17 even and this breaking 800.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm using $500.
Okay.
Should I buy one?
Sure. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Let's go hard on this one. Buying two.
All right. 1K. It's the first time we've ever actually leveraged that much. I'm here.
$7.99. $7.98.
Remember, it's just money. Or it's, doesn't affect your life. Are you in?
Nope, not it.
Is it not
I
working?
tried to get in. I didn't get filled. But I saw that SPY's just bounced up from that 17 even.
Yeah.
And so now Tesla's doing similar.
The bounce.
Yeah. I mean, I could play the bounce.
Do you want to play the bounce back, maybe?
Yeah. But I'll wait on that.
Alright. I don't know why. UAL. Isn't showing it, but.
This could be a good H on SPY.
Okay. On SPY. I think we're good as far as this goes. Tesla's bounce off 801. How's the timing sales looking?
It's good. There was a lot of selling pressure, but then the buying pressure
Started kicking back in.
Yeah,
so you're gonna be
just as
seeing.
did
I
this.
think you're gonna be seeing that a lot, right? Like
Yeah,
a lot
I
of
wonder
upward.
UNH is at still at 270.
270. Yeah, it's holding.
270 is this bottom.
Mm.
I mean, below this is this 269. Below this,
Tesla big green.
big green.
Yeah. I that's a good. I think that's actually a good turnaround point.
Okay, big green.
Watch the rejection here. Watch Tesla. Where's SPY at?
Right here. 1750.
So you're trying to go in 1,000 for this one?
Honestly, no. I don't like.
I mean, it didn't work
This-
out the first time, so that immediately makes the play a little bit less likely. You're going for one good move, not anything else. One play at a time, I think, is the idea.
Yeah. These really are minute by minute.
Yeah.
So it's
We're in a
boop,
new
boop.
market, so we have to
boop,
be
boop.
tighter on our thing for a little bit. SPY is down now, it's flipping down over time.
So it's curving down.
So if you look
Tesla's going up.
yeah, so there is a little bit of divergence. You can see it here.
Yeah.
See when SPY came down, Tesla came down, but when SPY went up, Tesla actually doubled up. So it went higher than the drop. It went to here now relatively.
Okay.
So Tesla's more prone to being upside.
Upside.
So that's, just keep that in mind. It's not actually a decider for anything. Could literally mean anything. God, there's so much written on this one fucking screen. Can't read shit. Remember when we used to have like CNBC up?
Honestly, should I just play Spy? I think
Do you
it's
want
much more like this is a curling H. Boom.
A lot of people are playing SPY right now. So if you want to make that as a move. Okay, I gotta pee. Like really badly. I've done the setup work though. So I'm happy. It's all I do every time is just set stuff up. Sold March UAL from a few weeks ago. $55. 30% profit. That's not bad.
I'm playing Spy.
Are you in?
No.
Downward?
I'm gonna play 4 about 400 downward, yeah.
Okay, cool. Can I take a break? I'm gonna
Sure.
sit back a little. It's a curl on it. Oh, I can take a man if I want to. You by chance have your phone charger again?
I do. It's in my backpack.
Bag, you don't know me. Bag, you don't know me. Look at all these pens. Are they mine?
Oh, it's in the back pocket.
Yeah. Back.
Back.
How much for back? Can I have these?
Sure.
I'm gonna see it. So either I'm blind or you're blind. You said back?
I'm entering.
Yeah, okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
I'm here if you need moral support. I don't see it. Guess my phone is gonna have to die. Buyer stepping at 800, no entries again. Tesla, not you.
Okay.
Keep your cool for Spy. Spy's a little bit slower from what I remember.
Right.
Matter of fact, now keep them there back. Can you give me one of the bottles? You're good, dude. Look, your puts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good right now. What is the level?
Mine?
Yeah.
It's 316, but I'm gonna get it at this 350 level, I guess.
I'd do slightly before 350, right? Because 315 or the 50 is probably gonna be. Because Spy doesn't move hard.
Okay.
Oh.
Ow. Fuck.
What the fuck? Alright, I guess we have to mute every other computer now.
Oh my god, stop. Jesus.
What's going on?
That's stupid.
What happened? Did like a good trade go bad? You made
Fucking
You
stupid.
lost $3?
Yeah.
Or $6?
You know why?
Why?
Because it adjusted and then I clicked.
Oh my
I
god.
adjusted and then it clicked. I like clicked onto the thing, which was lower.
God damn it. How much were you up on it?
Well, I saw this thing at 220, so I was up 40 on it.
40?
Yeah.
Hey.
Huge buying volume though.
Yeah.
Crazy. It was a good saying.
Yeah, I think I'm glad we didn't overstay our welcome.
Yeah.
But now you're down 6. That's fucking hilarious. What was your max on it?
My max what?
Return?
Oh, yeah, it was 40 total. I was up 20 on each. On one.
Oh my god, and you had 2 of them, right?
I had 2 of them. Yeah.
That's actually the most annoying shit ever. Even if you sold on that return, because that return was bad.
Yeah.
But so I'm glad we didn't know where to stay. But what was it?
What do you mean?
Like what? What am I trying to say? Like what was it if you sold it normally at that point?
Up 40. That would be up 40 total.
$43.
Well, there's a lot of buying and selling right now.
Yeah.
Very either or.
We're in the zone, so I'd be careful now. Do you want to pull some money out of the Tasty so we can pay for the Joshua's for this next month?
Sure.
Because that worked, right? The TLT worked.
Yeah. Yeah. Somewhat, yeah.
You didn't take a little bit more?
No.
Or you fully test it, make sure it works or doesn't work.
Okay.
It's right there. Just take the other half of the thing that you took.
Okay. Is this the other half?
Yeah.
Was it exactly half?
Yeah, it's about half. So just eat the other half. I feel like I gave you a small dose on accident. How's it looking?
I tried to get into BA, but
Are you not getting filled? This is like the fourth time that this happened.
no, I'm glad it didn't happen.
Because it was wrong.
Yeah, it was wrong. Someone actually bought. My God. Someone way paid overpriced like 200 of my contract. That's $2.40. So you can imagine.
Someone paid $200 more?
No. 200 contracts of $240.
Oh shit.
And this thing already went down $20, $30.
Oh my gosh. Well, that's probably institutional. That's a pretty big order.
Yeah, it's a pretty big order, and
Well, no. Wait, how much is that? 200 times 200. Isn't that 40,000?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably institution. Or they're just fucking dumb.
Or that's Umar.
Fucking Umar.
No, he only does.
No. Yeah, I just realized people
Yeah.
can play that stuff. Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. That's fucking crazy though.
But I did it coinciding with Spy, but Spy just bounced on the same.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have my.
This
360.
market is tricky. I think. I mean, like everything's just kind of bouncing every which way.
Yeah.
You want to take a break and then start again at 1?
It's almost 12:45.
It's 12:20.
12:20, yeah. So I think.
Okay, you want to stay around? Yeah, no. I mean, just fine. If
Yeah.
if the AD is working, then keep going with it.
Yeah.
Just see if it helps you pick it better.
It is. It's actually getting me some solid ones, except for this last one, which is just a fake out.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good then. I would say bring the mouse for this computer to you.
Yeah.
That way you can like, if you see something, you can just maximize it.
Yeah.
It makes the whole game like a shit ton easier. I'm moving it. You see?
Yeah.
Everything good?
Yeah.
It's like a pilot's chair. Yeah, so just pick a thing and maximize it if need be. Amazon below 1890, I think.
Google's looking good.
Dude, I was thinking about Google a lot today.
Apparently, got an upgrade today, so that's why it's held up.
Nice.
more
But
than
if the market just keeps tanking, then we're gonna start seeing a shit ton of upgrades that do nothing.
Yeah.
can't open spreads on the big account. We can't open spreads on the. Yeah. You called me. Get a spread on UVXY. $30 2K max reward. From March 6th from yesterday. Fuck. Yeah, hello? What happened? Dude, where are these random green spikes coming from? This is kind of crazy. Yeah, hello? Hey. We can't open the spread on the TV. How many times am I gonna tell you this? I mean, if it's this week expiry, let's just do it on yours, I guess. No, there's 300 left in cash. What do you mean? Were you trying to play this like huge or something? What? Dude, you just made a ton. Is that worth the risk? I mean, I don't know. Hmm. Dude, that wasn't the bubble. That wasn't the bubble like the the money came from you made the money off the calls, and now the money that we're making in right now is because the market tanked, not because of Tesla's bubble. Okay. Well, either way, let me look at space. I'm looking at your account right now. So we have $282 in collateral. I mean, I don't or buying power. I don't think it's worth even. Where are the fucking options for this stock, bro? Dude, Virgin Galactic doesn't have options. What do you mean the fuck? I mean, go look.
It does.
And then why is it not showing up on this?
SPCE?
Yeah, I'm on it. The only option I have is to buy. Oh, here we go. I found it. Jesus. Yeah. It opened up. Jesus. That's weird because I was looking. I was like, yeah, we could sell these options earlier. Okay, so what do you? Oh my God! Please, Lord, for the love of God. Well, I said something that was in the money, and the spreads that are in the money would be good. So this week, hold on, let me see. So the spreads on this is 50. Yes, I think so. I hate that the fucking way these look are inverted. Now, okay, the spread on some of these is okay. So this is the most 50-50 shit you'll ever see. But okay, so I'm just trying to figure this out. So how much do you think this is gonna drop exactly? Like, do you have price levels or anything like that? 20? You think it's gonna drop to 20? Alright, if you think it's gonna drop to 20, alright. If you think it's gonna drop to 20, then what we could do is, do you have it open on with you right now? Okay. So here's what you could do. We're gonna lose so much money on this. Okay. So its earnings is today, right? Okay. If you go down, scroll down, and if you look at these spreads, look for the closest spread that's like close to 50. So each of these spreads go up by 50s, right? So that means these spreads have a difference of certain amount. So for example, the 32 and the 31.5 have a $35 spread. So if you were to sell the credit spread on the calls there, you could sell the credit spread on the calls, and you would have a risk of $15, and you subtract those two.
No, I was watching BA. And
Yeah.
do you see these two lines?
Yeah.
Okay, so Usman was like, "Oh, Tesla here," so I switched over, and then this happened, which was part of my plan, but that was my fault for switching at all. And so then I got in
To Tesla,
to BA,
and you lost
and I lost. Yeah.
badly.
Yeah, I think so. I don't even know my PL. 64, and then 116 on Amazon because I used 1,000.
Uh huh.
So
What the
What?
fuck
That's
is
like
this account right now?
170 now.
This account is so fucking fucked right now. Low key. What is it?
8,200.
200. Okay, that's
Yeah.
not good. What's going on? Ugh. Wow.
Adderall does not work.
No, don't blame anything. I don't know what to say, honestly. What's the 300 on? Oh, that's the subtotal. Where are the big ones coming from? Tesla? When did this happen? Or
Today?
is this those are the holds, right? So these are a result of the holds. This is a result of Amazon.
Amazon BA is
Yeah.
what I traded today.
So
But
that's a
OLED SPY and Tesla. Well, SPY is $6, but
what a tough market we're
yeah.
in. We're gonna wait a few days, I think, on this market, maybe.
Yeah,
I
that's all we can do. We can't deal in this market, so.
yeah. Man, what is it saying?
Now I have $14 left.
Talk to yourself. Tell yourself
Yeah, now I
everything.
have $14 of margin to, stay
To
in
make
this
this-
game in the next 2 hours. So we'll be okay.
Yeah.
Beware of fake outs, obviously.
And just play it very smart.
Actually, no, not beware of fake outs right now, because now it's different. Now it's one, people are coming in.
Don't be afraid.
So,
Just close the fake outs when they happen. That's
yeah,
it. Because you don't know when it's a fake out or not.
Right.
You just have to pay attention to volume and stuff.
So we look through. I'm thinking. Tesla is looking strong here. I don't know if I want to play that.
Don't play
I
anything
would.
that does not literally look like the biggest play you've ever seen.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So unless it looks like a play,
Yeah.
don't even fuck with it.
AMD looks actually very solid. You want to switch to AMD real quick? Yep, AMD. That's it.
Let me open up AMD up here then. There you go. You got this too. Nice. Yeah, I see it too.
Okay, that's
I'm gonna keep
something
looking
that's-
because Tesla does kind of look like it to me though.
Okay.
But Tesla's been doing this shit all day. BA, by the way. Can I open up BA here? You think?
Sure, I played. That's what I.
Are you too
No,
angry
sorry.
to touch it again?
Not really, but I set my level, and I had a terrible plan, which was that my level was too low.
Yeah.
Meaning I didn't consider like the 50-cent levels or the $1 levels of the next level.
Yeah.
Because like my level here is the next drop, or at least where support will come in, is 302.
Okay.
And so at 304, because that was my plan. So that's why I still got in afterwards, because I thought I could go further.
Yeah.
Is that I didn't respect the even levels.
Even levels, right?
Right. So,
Okay. Well, BA's up. Do you want me to switch to something else, maybe? I'm gonna give you less noise, so that's what I'm trying to find a better. Maybe Baba. I don't know. Actually, maybe Baba. Baba might be a good H. Yeah, Baba is in for a good H, I think.
Okay.
So, low of day is 205. If it starts pushing for 205.14, so I'll set an alert.
Oh wait, dude. No, Amazon.
Amazon. All right. Don't side. Even if an alarm goes off, if you're focusing on a stock, don't switch it up on yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, get rid of the gray shit. I think.
Well, this is the gap fill. It's the whole gap fill. So now it's.
Yeah, today's been a fucking choppy day. I love how last week was just amazing, and this week is just like death to all traders.
Yeah.
This is part of it too. If you can stay solvent during these really, really rough times. Also, we need to be tracking our trades. What's wild is today's only Tuesday.
Wow.
Feels like it's Friday.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
It's 108.
Here are your main stocks up, right?
Okay, yeah. So I have two lookers, AMD and Amazon.
And then you can open up something there if you see anything.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be over you. Just
Okay.
please voice it out verbally to yourself.
Yes.
This is for you, so
Right.
you can look back and see what's fucking you up right now. This Addy should work. It should give you powers. You just
Yeah.
gotta be calm.
So what do I see right now? I see that a possible H could be happening. Like this whole market has been an H. But
Do you want me here or do you want me
It's
out?
a 1. No, let's have you out.
Me out?
Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, not out. You can be here, yeah. I thought you meant, like, trading with me.
Oh, like,
Yeah.
you want me not trading with you?
Yeah, like you are right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool, yeah. I'm just sitting back. I'm just, like, if you want me, need help, then let me know. But try not to. I think you can do it without me.
Yeah.
Watch Baba, by the way. It's about to go off on the alert.
AMD and Amazon as well.
Okay, so the whole market.
Okay. $1967.5 to avoid a fake out on Amazon. I like SPY. SPY's in inverse H right now. It's going down. Volume is there now officially. SPY, lower lows. Amazon accordingly. Hasn't hit my level yet. Once it does, I'm in. Need to read the tape here. It is mixed, so that doesn't mean that there's necessarily big selling pressure going on. SPY's at 314, it's an even level, so I can expect a bounce here. Or if it just immediately breaks it, then so be it. SPY is holding at this 10-cent level. Very seesawy right now. Still on the downside actually. Okay, edging lower. SPY is going lower. Amazon isn't reacting yet. Amazon hasn't hit my level yet. Good buying on Amazon right now, so there are buyers here. But now I'm seeing the tape, it's more red. Now it's hitting it. Cool. In. $313, respecting it.
How was that one?
That one I did not make it. Nope.
Make or lose?
No, I lost on it.
How much? The 414?
I lost 55 on.
Jesus Christ.
Damn.
Alright, we need a break.
I'm out.
Holy shit, this market's ass. Did it fake you out again? Or were you trying to play down?
I played down after here, and then, I mean, yeah.
Full reversal?
Yeah.
It's happening again. What the fuck is going on? We noticed that the market changed, and it's still fucking us.
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
I'm gonna be so angry
If it hits.
if it just keeps on going further.
Yeah, are you getting in too early? I have a question. Did you get in too fast?
No.
Like,
Well,
Did you-
I
like, are you waiting
tapped
for the?
I tapped the bid, and then the bid stayed.
Oh, it didn't go down.
And actually, people got filled higher than me.
Time to go to the Kajabi videos. Yeah, we're tilted as
mistake.
fuck. Huh?
It is a mistake.
It's okay. It happens, dude. Cause like, look at my thing, right? So I was saying that Baba was forming an H.
Yeah.
And it kind of did, but none of these moves are sticking right now. Amazon or AMD too. They immediately pulling out on you.
Yeah.
So this market is extremely volatile. So the only thing you're good for is maybe a trend, but
Yeah.
that's it. Not
No day trades.
No day trades right now. Yeah, it's too risky because everything is pulling out on you, except for space. Space is a winner. This is a good point for the actual repurchasing. All right, let's go shoot some hoops.
Okay.
All right, guys. Today was a rough day. It's been a rough couple of weeks, or no, a rough like week actually. But
Yeah.
we gotta shut down the stream.
Oh shit. Oh, it's already shut down.